part 9 of chapter 4. Shamsuddin left Konya at the end of his first visit on Thursday, the 21st day of the month of Shawwal, Al-Hijra 643, 14th of March, 1246 of the Common Era, after a stay of about 16 months. He returned to Damascus, and his departure left Jalal in a state of great uneasiness and excitement. And number 13 further on gives a conflicting date. And, well, we could say this presages it, but you know, you don't want to be attached to the teacher to the point where you're are attached to the friend to the point where that you can't continue to work when they're gone.